Hello everyone, I'm Indrajit. I'm going to start lesson 3, video 2, class 6. Here we are going to discuss about the table. So table, what it does, why we use table. So in very beginning, I will tell you how to insert table. So for inserting table, you have to click on the insert tab. Be careful, everything, the objects, most of the objects you get inside the insert tab because those things you can insert in your document. So first click on insert tab, then click on table option or table button. So you will get a pop-up menu like this. So interface is very easy. The first way is ready-made tables. Here ready-made tables is this. You can select the tables according to your need. Rows and columns will appear in front of you. So I will need only this. So I will click on it only. So my table is in front of me. And suppose you want to give heading of the table, so you can give yes, one more thing. For giving the heading, you should use always word art. So in a word art, vegetable list I want to create. Just select and put it in center like this. Also, you can. Now you have a list. You can resize the table also. Click here. You can do it center, left, right, center. It is your choice. It is up to you. But main thing is, what is table? Why we make table? Table is a tool or option through which you can arrange your data in a rows and column. Means table is a tool which helps you to arrange your data in rows and columns. In other words, you can say table is a collection of rows and columns. Means if you have rows and in your columns, you can arrange your data very easily, just like a MAM attendance register. But what is cell? When rows and column intersect each other, then cell creates. Cell forms when rows and column intersect. But this is a cell. Means here I'm writing, this is a cell. So second thing, what can you write? What can you do in cell? Or what can you write inside cell? Inside cell, you can write text or numbers. And third thing, you can insert any shape also. So I'm going to create vegetable list. So for this, I will write serial number, second name, vegetable name, and I need price, and I need picture. I'm going to show you simple. And second, select whole table. This is a second topic. If you want to select the whole table, you have to drag your mouse diagonally. Just click, keep your mouse on the first cell, then drag your mouse diagonally at the lower end. Whole table will select. Suppose you want to select only row, then select straight. Or you suppose you want to select column, then up to down. Sorry, not this. Click up to down, up to down, up to down. You can select like this. Okay, second method you have also. Are you watching this arrow, small arrow? Click on it. With the help of this arrow, you can select whole column together. Doesn't matter what is the size of the column, what is the size or how many number of cells. Click like this. If you get this option, click it. You can select whole columns. Again, I show you this. And suppose you want to select row. So this is a method. And now I want to going to write one vegetable in potato, price 30 rupees per kg, picture. Yes, more important. How will you insert picture? For inserting picture, you have to click on insert, click on picture. If you have picture, it's okay. But if you don't have picture, then what you will do? Online picture. So I will search here potato. Press enter. Look how many potatoes I have. Click insert. Now, we have studied you can resize the picture like this. You can resize like this. Okay. So you have to make list and put it in the center like this. So now you have to create a table and you have to color it. I will tell you how you will color, but important thing is second vegetable I should take tomato. Be careful. Price is 100 rupees per kg. You know, here I will show you. I'm going to save you my file. Shortcut key is Control S, desktop. I want to save my file. Serial number is the file name. I show you here how can you download picture from Google. Look, this is very important because here I will show you like tomato. Insert, click here, click on images, take this picture, click on it. Picture will appear will in a big size. Right click, save images. Be careful, save images. You don't have to copy or something. You don't have to do any other. You don't have to use any other option. Use save as. After saving as, it will ask you to download. So you can directly download on the desktop. Don't worry. It is appearing on my screen only. You won't get. So now let's see. This is a picture of tomato. Just right click, copy this picture and open MS Word document. Click here where you want to insert picture. Right click, click on this button, paste. Yes. And second thing, don't picture आ जाए बड़ी तो घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just reduce the size of the picture. Okay. Just reduce the size of the picture. Do small size. Yes. And keep it in center. हो गई? आ गई? Simple. No need to worry. This is a method through which you can insert picture. I show you how can you insert picture in a two way. So now what you have to do, we have done selecting row, selecting columns, modifying. Third thing is modifying. We have to do only one thing more. Suppose I forget to insert, means I have forgotten, I want to insert a row between them. Insert row above, row below. So I need row above. Look, one row is here. Click here. Insert row above. देखो एक खाली रो आ गई. अब मैंने कहा insert row below. Insert row below. You can insert. Suppose I want a column. Insert column to the left. Look, I have one extra column. Okay, I click here. I insert column to the right. Look, I have a one blank column here. And how will you delete? Select. Only select that column. Right click. Delete column. Right click. Delete cell. It will ask you column. Look. So like this you can insert or delete. Here in a layout option you get same options. In a delete, column delete करना है, row करना है, table, and insert below, insert left, insert right, and you want to delete a whole table, delete table. Control Z, Control plus Z, you can bring it back. So these are. So now this is the first method. I'm going to delete whole table. Go in the layout, click on delete, delete table. Now second method is to click on insert again. Second method is insert table. Insert table is very interesting. When you click on the insert table, it will ask you already How many columns you want? I want only 6 columns. How many rows you want? I want 10 rows. Click on OK. Look, and I have row. So this is the method. Suppose काम करते करते रो खत्म हो गई, तो click on the last cell, then please click tab. When you click tab button, rows will appear automatically. This is the method. You can increase, and still you don't like this method, delete it. Select layout, sorry, delete, delete. And my favorite is draw table. Third method is a draw table. For the draw table, click it and just drag. कितनी बड़ी टेबल चाहिए, just you have to drag. Is a pencil tool. Do this, do this, do this. So like this, sorry, Control Z. So like this you can create columns. It is up to you how much column you want, how much rows you want. It is like this. It is just like a pencil tool. You are drawing it. It will work as same. But main thing is that here you will get uneven width. Uneven width you will get. So three methods you have. So it is up to you which one, or click on dot table. It will disappear. Now type. You can type anything. A, B, C. So your choice which method you want. But for the deleting, every method are same. So now I'm going to again, I show you few more thing. These are very important. First is select all cell, right click, merge cell. Merge means you are just combining two or more cells together and you are making it one. So merge tool, this is an important option. Here you can give the name, like I don't want to give this name here, so I will just put this name here. Yes, in a center. You can give your name here like this. Okay, you can give serial number, vegetable, vegetable name, price, picture, or country. You can take any column. I just have to fill only COU and TRY. Yes. So now you can make table like this. So be remember, for the heading always you have to use word out option, and now you can fill, you can make whole table. One more thing, you can select table from here. Suppose you want to give border and shading option. So here you can select, these are the extra feature. Automatic, you can give color also. Okay, you can take this. Look what is happening. If you give all border, you will get like this, but it is looking very bad, so I will remove. Means here you can give the border and shading. Okay, so no need to apply, just do this only. Look, are you getting what's the change? Here you can change the style also. Look, which type of line you want, you can take this also. But more interesting thing I show you, this is fine. Layout option, select all, use this option, center. Okay, suppose I'm going to delete it, select, delete. I show you one last thing here. If you want ready-made tables, bani banai, so you have quick table option. In a quick table you get ready-made table already. Everything is ready-made, so you have to choose only. Now you have here, you have to change the number only. So these are ready-made table. It is up to you, you want or you want to create on your own. So again, you have three methods: insert, table. This is automatic है, this is insert table, this is draw table. So here you can create table according to your choice. Here one more thing I show you. After making table, you can color it also. Suppose you want to change the background color. Shading. Remember, shading is the option. And you want to put color of this cell something else, click on shading. Like, so you can make your table colorful. Like, you can write also here. Serial number, vegetable, tick, price, picture. So use it. So you can make your table more colorful. Use word art, clip art, and just last thing I show you, insert, shapes, draw. You can draw a box here. Write, add text. You can write, I like to eat vegetables. So here you can make box also, and how it is, and you can write many things inside it. So, or if you want, you can paste your picture outside also. Means I have making table, and you can paste a picture here also. Like I show you, just copy this picture. I have copied, Control C, right click, and baki to resizing, cropping, you people already know. Suppose I want to remove source Shutterstock. I will click on the picture, I will click on format, I will crop. From below, I will crop this part. Look, okay, you can use and copy this picture, right click and copy. You can paste your picture here, paste, or reduce the size like this. So you can do many things. So I hope now you will do your work and send picture of your task on my personal window. Okay, thank you everyone. I'm just closing.